Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make a reel with videos on Facebook. So let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook application. Then tap on the plus icon at the top. After that, tap on reel. Now if you want to add multiple videos to your reel, tap on select multiple. Now choose the videos from your gallery that you want to add to the reel. Here I will choose 4 video files. After choosing the video, tap on next. Now tap on timeline. Here you can arrange the videos in any order you like. You can also adjust the timing of each video by dragging it. You can add animation between every video to make your reel look better. If you want to add this transition animation, you will see a small line between the videos. Simply tap on that line. And after that, you can choose any animation you like. After choosing the animation, tap on done. And using the same process, you can add animation between all the videos. Now you can add text to your reel. Simply tap on the add text option and type whatever you want. And you can also change the text design, font style and color to make your reel look more attractive. After choosing the text color and font, tap on done. Now you can drag the text to adjust its position and resize it to make it bigger or smaller as you like. Now you can also add audio to your reel to make it more engaging. Just tap on the audio or music option and select any audio you like. After adding the audio, tap on done. Now you can also add effects to give your reel a creative look. Here tap on the effects option and choose any effect you like. Then tap on done. After completing the editing, tap on next arrow icon. Then add a caption to your reel. After that, tap on share now to post your reel on Facebook. And that's it. Your reel will be shared on Facebook. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.